Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can add the image to a Laravel project and show it in our page. Open your project and if you explore your project folder, you will see a folder called public. In that public folder, you can go ahead and create a new folder. You can specify that as images or any other name you prefer. Inside that folder, we can go ahead and paste our image. I can name it as logo and move that to images. So we got our image there. And the next step, you have to open your view. In the resources, in the views folder, we got our, let me open that, login.blade.php. So you have go to the place where you want to show the image. For example, here I can type image tag and say src is equals to double quotes and then braces, again braces inside braces, and call for assets and parentheses. In the parentheses, we have to put single quotes, and in the single quotes, we have to say the folder name that we provided in the public folder, which was in my case images, and then the image file name logo.png. Okay. And the next step is I'm going to say alt for the image as logo. You can provide your alt later, and a class bootstrap one. I can say img fluid. Okay, and finally closing angle brackets. Okay, now everything is fine. We can start by running PHP artisan serve, and let's go ahead and run this. Now we got our image there. So you can go ahead and provide a width for this image and a height and fix this image as you want. So let me go ahead and zoom that out. As you can see, it is resizing because of this img fluid 1. Okay, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.